In this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to prepare for heart dissection and focus on some safety precautions that you should pay attention to during this procedure. Before diving into any practical work, let's remember some basic points concerning transport systems. Most large multicellular animals have specialized transport systems which carry gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, nutrients, wastes, and hormones. Most of these circulatory systems have features in common. They have a liquid transport medium which circulates around the system. They have vessels which carry the transport medium, and they have a pumping mechanism to move the blood around the system. Substances are transported in a mass of fluid with a mechanism for moving the fluid around the body, known as mass transport system. Can you tell which organ pumps the blood to the rest of the body? Yes, it's the heart. So let's dissect together a heart and examine its features. But first of all, we should ensure that all the equipment needed are prepared. So for this experimental procedure, we need a sheep's or pig's heart. It's similar in size and shape to the human's heart and can be bought pre-packed from supermarkets. But they are trimmed, meaning that blood vessels and atria have been removed, so it's better to buy it from a butcher since he can supply us with an untrimmed heart. Keep in mind that the most important factor is the freshness of the animal material. So any animal material to be used should be kept in a sealed container and stored in the fridge. We also need a dissecting tray and board, dissecting instruments. The most essential ones are a scalpel, scissors, and mounting needles, pins, plastic gloves, beaker of disinfectant, disinfectant spray, paper towels, glass rod, camera, and finally a disposal bag. As you know, in any experiment carried, there's some safety precautions that you should be aware of. Some of these are wearing a lab coat and gloves. You should cover cuts and open wounds with waterproof dressings. Dissecting instruments are sharp, so handle them carefully. And dispose all materials such as organs and plastic gloves safely in a yellow disposal bag. And at the end, disinfect all instruments into beakers and the surfaces using a disinfectant spray and paper towels, as well as wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. You might be asked to write a risk assessment before beginning the practical work. It's often recorded in a table including the hazards, risks, and control measures. So here's the list of precautions that you should consider and a risk assessment table. Let's fill the table using the information. The hazard during the practice might include a scalpel. The risk is you might cut yourself. The control measure is to use a sharp, rust-free blade and cut away from yourself. What about handling the heart? Can you think of the risk? Well, there might be bacteria in or on the heart, so you might contaminate the workbench, and to control for that, you should wipe down the bench and wash your hands thoroughly at the end of the work. Now, There are other hazards that you might face during the dissection, so think critically and try to complete the table by yourself.